New added welding parameters function. Can directly use the preset welding parameters of common materials. Select the welding parameters according to the material's thickness. All parameters of the welding can be adjusted as needed. When wire welding seams need to be welded, can click the switch button next to the welding wire diameter. Switch to dual wire mode. When the factory parameters need to be restored, you can click Help. Long press to restore factory parameters. Can restore modified parameters to factory settings. Adjusting the continuous parameters of spot welding in the old system requires entering the settings page. The steps are relatively cumbersome. The new version of the system integrates the adjustment of spot welding type parameters into the processing page. Convenient for users to adjust parameters quickly. New version connects with wired feeder through the multifunctional signal line. Can directly control the wire feeder and adjust the wire feeder parameters in the welding system